Non-functional requirements in this experiment is about you're going to determine the reliability. You have to measure the performance of the particular project with the help of some of the non-functional requirements. How about the security aspect? How you're going to generate some backup and all those things you're going to do an analysis under non-functional requirements. So under this title, you're going to prepare the content. Then the system requirements from the client side, what is the requirement, what are the software and the hardware which are supposed to be available, then only they can started using the application. So such aspect you have to do an analysis. So the overall summary, and at last you have to give a result about, okay, you have done this study experiment properly and you have identified clearly this project requirements. So overall summary, just want to give you about with the help of software requirement analysis, you can analyze the entire project's description, how you can bring your project to take your project to the marketplace, and who are your competitor, how you will analyze the strength, and how about staffing and schedule and budget which are required for a particular project. And regarding this project, when you prepare this but scheduling part, you're going to use this template. Here comes, you're going to mention the name of the project, execs, manager, start date. For example, it's a 1 month project you can consider, and total duration is 30 days. And list of tasks, maybe first part is registration module, login module, then on choosing the product, adding the product, and raising the order, payment. All those things are task description. Then you have to write the status. Okay, just now we have started means started, and if some project, some modules are under hold, you have to say it is hold. So likewise, at least for a particular project, 20 modules you just describe here and update its dummy status. Then it is assigned to consider a project consists of 5 team members. Consider one person, assign their names, and project start date. Suppose this phase is supposed to be completed, then only the next one is supposed to begin. Means after this end date, you have to start this particular phase. So such date you have to give. And what is the total duration for this particular task? Maybe the registration. Okay, maybe the registration. Consider here the task are like registration, login, then search product, and then add products. Then you're going to raise order, raise order, and then you're going for payment. So likewise, a lot of small modules are there, and give the duration. Okay, so it takes only 2 days, and it takes in terms of days or month. Okay, here you have to mention here comments. Okay, so it's successfully going on without any struggle, or it is completed by this person, this is hold by this person. Yeah, okay, so any drawbacks, any problems if you face, you have to give all the commands here. So this is how you have to prepare the schedule, and you have to attach in the document. Then about the budget, so here comes, you're going to prepare the project name, manager, and an unique ID. Work breakdown structure, here we are not going to mention, okay, we are mentioning the small task name here, and the numbering part also you're giving, and it is assigned to whom, how many planned hours. Maybe you have planned for 30 days, but it took 40 days, means okay, so each hour how much amount you are going to plan for giving as a remuneration, and any material cost, that also you have to mention. The travel, sometimes it is needed for data collection, you have travel, or you went for some other location to test the application on a server, that amount you have to mention. Then miscellaneous charges, any other charges, and what is the actual budget was given. Okay, so as per this, what is the amount coming here, you have to mention, add these values. Okay, in terms of dollar, right? So 2 3 4 components you add and give it here, and so that total is going to be here, and what is the actual was allocated. For example, suppose here 100. Okay, suppose here it is 100, and here again 200 and 300, and okay, 10, okay, 100. So as per this, okay, 3 6 7 700 is the budgeted dollar, in dollars if you consider. but actual was okay 1,000. So now you're saving 300. This is how you have planned. So you have to allocate and started utilizing it. Sometimes, okay, so allocated is only 600, then it is called over budgeting. So this is how you can do an analysis before starting a project. With the help of this, you won't waste your money and you can save your money, and that will be useful for helping you to complete the entire project. So this is how budgeting is going to work. So this is the actual budget. From this only we have to spend. If we spend more, then the project cannot be completed, or you have to sit and analyze again. So this is how you have to plan.